I guess you can say finally, I'm getting ready to do some nails. I will be doing different nail types on my hands from henceforth probably, because I got a lot of stuff I want to show y'all that I'm attempting to do. So this right hand today, I've already removed my Kiss press-on nails. Remember these? Yes, we'll do this hand on the next go round. But today I wanted to try my Makartt nails, the ones right here on the screen. I ordered these from Amazon. Makartt makes some excellent press-on nails. They're super sturdy, super affordable, and they come with pretty much everything that you'll need. However, today I am going to attempt to apply mine with this gel. This is UV Builder Gel. It's made by the brand Casellia, and I got it off of Amazon. I'm not sure if they still have it or not, but if they don't, I will put something similar to it in the description box. It is a clear gel, builder gel, and I have seen this before, that folks actually apply their tips on, or their full tips on, or fake nails on, using builder gel. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'll start off first of all by prepping my nail and priming my nail. I will be using the Azure Beauty Prep and Prime, and this one came off of Amazon as well. I will have the links below for you for all of the products that I am using on today. So let's go ahead and prep the nail. That is simply just a dehydrator that's going to dry the nail out so that any nail enhancements will easily adhere to the nails. So let's do that first. And it should help your nail enhancements to last longer. Okay, I can set that aside. Now I'm going to prime my nail with the Azure Beauty Nail Primer. Now with the gel, of course, you're going to need a nail lamp. I'll be using my Madam Glam mini nail light. I love it. It really works great. The builder gel, of course, I already have the gel out, and I do have me a little brush to apply the gel. I have paper towels here on the side as well, so I can wipe my brush off as needed. I, of course, have already been using my Makartt nails. So what I'm going to do is select my size, which I probably should have did that before I primed everything, but yeah, no, it's okay. We can do however we want to do. Let's just make things happen. So I'll start with my pinkies first. You know, that's tiny, but still not tiny enough for my nail. How about that? Okay, that looked like it may be it. Let me just smash that down some. And they're numbered in the inside. I'm not sure what that number is because I can't see. I flatten mine out because I have very flat nail beds, as you probably can tell, so I have to do that. Okay, have all of my sizes. So the nails should be ready to go ahead and apply my gel. I'll do that. I'll put a little inside of the nail as well. Just to kind of build that up. And just like you're polishing your nails, I'll do it. And I'll put it under the lamp, just nuking it a little bit, then pressing it some more. Going over here on this underside to try to mesh it, make sure it's okay. Having a difficult time. Try that again. And I forgot my alcohol pads. So that is the hard part of trying to get my hand and the lamp in cohesion together. Okay, the next nail. Has a super curve in it, doesn't it? Like a C curve. Really interesting. Now, I'm not sure if I'm leaving these this long or not, because you know your girl has too much work to do to be rocking them single girl nails. You think? I don't know. We shall see. I think I put a bit too much on that one, but we'll make do. As y'all can see, my nails have grown. Of course they do that because your girl takes really good care of them. I really try. I really do try. And I hope this camera is looking clear to you, because doing this, I promise you, it is a challenge. I am trying to mesh it on. The more I push myself closer out of the frame. I know. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. This is not easy. Gonna try to get some of this gel off. But of course, that creates even more problems. There's just no easy way to do this. Honey, where there is a will, there's a way. And I'm going to try that. Well, that looks ooey gooey all under there, but of course I'm not going to wear them without polish, but as for demonstration purposes tonight, this is how we're going to leave them. And the last one is the thumb, and I'll cure them a little bit longer under the lamp. And now I'm going to cure them all together now. Make sure they are on, hopefully. Okay, so I have them on. I don't know how long they're going to last, but I'm going to try to go ahead and file them down and make them look, you know, prettier so that I can get some polish put on them here. All right. Just going to take my alcohol and wipe them down. Then I'll get ready to shape them up. Just trying to see if they're on, feeling sturdy. So I think I'm just gonna clip a little bit of them off. What you think? Cause I know, girl, I cannot type with my nails this long. I don't even have to ask you. Cause she already knows. That's a no-no. Let's see how far down. Okay, so perhaps I need to go ahead and start filing. Let's see if we can get this shaped up here. So the longevity of a Makartt press-on nail set with UV builder gel can vary depending on factors such as your daily activities, nail care routine, and the quality of application. However, on average, a well-applied set can last anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks, but it's essential to avoid activities that can put excess strain on your nails, such as harsh chemicals, excessive water exposure, or rough handling to prolong the lifespan of the press-on nails. Regular maintenance and proper care can also contribute to their durability. And that's it today, y'all. Thanks so much for coming to hang out with me again on a little bit of a nail tutorial. I'm trying, and I wanted to show y'all how I put on and use my press-ons. We'll have more coming, so stick and stay right here. Beautiful babes, take care, and please share me with your world. Toodles!